Hey guys, welcome to my channel made by Yuma. In today's tutorial we are going to see a pattern which is easy for beginners. So this is a simple flower which will give you a 3D look. So this is an amazing crochet flower pattern, especially with beads, for a beginner. So let's get started and see what are the things we would need. We would need an acrylic yarn of two different colors, or you can make it with one color, it's up to you, and a crochet hook. So here I'm taking 2.5 mm crochet hook, a scissor and some beads for this pattern. So I would recommend one size bigger for the crochet hook because that gives you a bigger flower. So this pattern I made it with 3.5 mm crochet hook, while the acrylic yarn is meant for 2.5 mm crochet hook. So I really like this pattern, and let's get started by taking the tail end of the yarn, working yarn, and add beads, 6 beads to it, and then make a knot. So let's make it a little bit looser. That means there should be little space between each of the beads so that we can work between the beads. So that's the reason. And now we just made a circle, simple circle using the beads. Then take the crochet hook, insert into the circle, and grab the yarn, pull through the yarn. Now we have a loop here. So now yarn over and pull through this loop to form a chain here. So and make 5 more chains here. Chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, and chain 6. So we just made 6 chains, and then we have to insert the hook into the circle in such a way that this next bead is between the 6 chains. So this forms a petal, and we are going to repeat the petal for 5 more times to make 6 petals in total. Here I am making 6 chains. So then make a slip stitch into the next bead space. So once it is done, I'm gonna continue with the next petal. So I'll show you for one more time. If you're an absolute beginner, you can check out my videos on Crochet Basics and how to do single crochet, double crochet, simple chain stitch, all these basics. I will put up the video link in the description box. You can check it out. So meanwhile, I'm completing the third petal here. See, this is beautifully getting formed around the beads, and here I'm completing the sixth petal, and you can see here this itself is a beautiful flower. So you can leave it here and start using this flower on the baby hat or baby dress. So it's up to you to decorate this flower in whichever way you would want to, but we are going to continue making it furthermore into a 3D pattern. So for that, start making single crochet into the next petal, that is the first petal. So we have to make 11 single crochet in total in one petal. So once 11 single crochet is complete, then start making another set of 11 single crochet into the next petal. So I will just give you one tip here. So the tail end is there, right? So instead of stitching it towards the end, we can start bringing it along as we do the single crochet here, so that it will be hidden in the meanwhile. So let's see how to do that. So take the tail end along with your working yarn and make sure it is at the back side. Now start making the single crochet along with the tail end. And we are going to complete 11 single crochet here in the petal. And we are also hiding the tail end. So now I'm going to cut off the tail end. Go ahead and complete the remaining petals with 11 single crochet into each one of them. And here I have completed the 6 petals. Then I'm gonna finish it by making a slip stitch into the beginning chain. That is the first chain of this round. And now let's introduce the second color. If you want to continue with the same color, you can go ahead and do that. So once you bring the second color, pull the tail end of the first color as well as the second color. You can now cut the yarn of the first color, and in the same way as we did in the previous round, we are going to make this tail ends hide as we progress to do the pattern. Make a chain stitch, and this forms a knot here. And then start creating single crochet into each of the chain space. So make sure you bring the tail ends along with this single crochet, so that you don't have to sew the tail ends towards the end of it. And this is our second single crochet. So we should be doing 11 single crochet in each of the petals. See, the loose ends are beautifully coming along inside the single crochet stitch. So now is the time to trim off the excess tail ends. And then continue to make the single crochet till the end of this round. So now we have completed this 6 petal, and we have to finish this off by making a slip stitch into the very beginning chain stitch, and then pull the yarn, cut the yarn, and then start working using a crochet hook or a sewing needle to hide the tail end at the flip side of the flower. So you can repeat this for 4 to 5 times, and then cut the excess yarn. So this completes our beautiful 3D crochet flower, and this can be a very good decorative item for your home or dress or hat, and the list goes on. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for latest videos. Thank you for watching.